We give you the tools, the coaching, and the insights, but taking action is what takes things forward. Career clarity is ultimately about taking ownership. It's never too early to start thinking about progressing in your career post-program. We encourage the students to book in one-to-one careers appointments early on in the program so that we can really understand their goals, find out their values, their skills and their strengths, and how we can support them. The students work on live consulting projects with real clients on real issues. They get a very practical, hands-on experience of what it's like to be a consultant. You can take those learnings and apply them on the program. Students learn how to manage stakeholders, how to communicate effectively, presentation skills, and we really focus on resilience, self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and leadership. All great skills that they can use in any career and that employers are really looking for. We have many practical skills workshops for the students, looking at personal branding, CV writing, how they're presenting themselves online. We bring in industry experts as much as we can on the programme. It's a fantastic networking opportunity. Every year we have a fishbowl consulting panel event where the students can connect with alumni. So it's a really great opportunity to see what happens when the students have graduated, where they've gone, and the skills that they've used to get where they are post-programme. Students have the opportunity to extend their programme by joining an MBA paid internship. These can be 3 to 6 months long. They're a great way to boost confidence, to get a taste of working in the UK and the European job market, and put the skills into practice that they have learned on the programme. The students who meet with their coach, the careers team, the mentor, and focus on building their professional network are the students who ensure that they get success out of their journey.